So here's the soldering iron, 100 watts. Okay, and here's the solder itself. Here's the compound SN60PB40. Okay, and the solder is eating away the tip of the soldering iron. For example, now it's filled with solder, but where is light gray, that is solder. Where is dark gray, that's the metal of the soldering tip. So when the gray melts, I will be left with a large gap there. Here we can see the gap on the left side. But the gap is larger because it's filled with solder. So that material is eating away this material.